All right, so let's talk about swapping variables in Python. So traditionally, if you wanted to swap a variable, let's see what you might do. So you might have a variable a, and we'll set that equal to 1, and then we'll have a variable b, and that will be equal to 2, just like that. So what if we had these two variables, but we wanted a to equal 2 right here? So if we came down here, we might do something like set a new kind of temporary variable. So we could say c, and then if we set that equal to a, like this, and then we can come in and we can say a is equal to b, like that. And then let's print out a like this and save that. So hopefully this should be printing 2 for us. If we run this, we get 2. So now our a is equal to 2. But all this is a little bit contrived and a little bit unnecessary in Python because we have a better way to do this. So if we want to come here, Python, we've talked about tuples before. So in order to swap variables, we can do something like a comma b like this. And then on the same line, we can just go equals, and then we can go b comma a. Now, this should swap our different variables for us. So if we come back here again and say a is equal to 1 and b is equal to 2, like we had that before, if we go ahead and save this and then print out a and copy that down and print out b like this and go ahead and save that. Now, if we run this, we can see that these two variables have been swapped. We get 2 for the a and 1 for the b. So that's an easy way to swap variables in Python. And this works because this syntax here is the same as going like this. And this would be a tuple like here. So if we again save that and run that, we get the same thing right there. Now, that is how you might swap variables in Python. And you might also see this in terms of assigning multiple variables in a single line. So again, we could say a comma b again here, and that is equal to, say, 1 comma 2, like that. And this would be the same thing as doing this up here. And that is why we can swap variables in Python. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.